Good morning, all of you students. In the today class, we are discussed about the semiconductor detector. So, in the last class, we are discussed about the GM counter, proportional counter, and simultaneous counter. Today, we will discuss about the semiconductor detector. So, a detector which is used to detect the ionizing radiation by using semiconductors. Usually, silicon or germanium is used in this semiconductor detector. The detecting is a single crystal consisting of a sandwich of intrinsic silicon between a p-type layer and n-type layer forming PN diode. Okay. Semiconductor is a pure form is known as the intrinsic semiconductor, for example pure silicon and pure germanium. At room temperature, number of electrons equal to the number of holes. So that is two figures are here. One is N-type and another one is P-type semiconductors. When the radiation interact with silicon crystal, they excite electron from the valence band into the conduction band, creating a electron hole pair. You show the in the figure, you observe that the radiation is incident on the semiconductor diode. So what happens there? One side it is a N-type and another one type P-type. If the radiation having the energy h nu must be incident on that, so the PN junction must be its formation. When the reverse bias potential is applied to the crystal, the electron and holes are separated and a charge pulse of electrons can be measured. Generally used for detection of alpha and beta particles, very high resolution energy measurement does not depend upon the type of radiation that deposit the energy. Negligible absorption energy act as a solid state ionization chamber. There are so many types of the semiconductor detectors. One is silicon detector, diamond detector, germanium detector, cadmium detector, and cadmium zinc telluride detectors, AIP, AIAS, GAP, gallium phosphide, GAAS, gallium arsenide, INP, indium phosphide. So these are the some different types of the semiconductor detectors. What are the advantages? Advantages of this detector needed to create an electron hole pair. For silicon, this leads to better detection resolution, small charge collection time, very small recombination losses due to fast charge collection. Okay, so this is about the semiconductor detectors. So now some multiple choice questions we are seeing here on the detectors. Geiger-Müller counter uses alcohol only, argon and alcohol, argon, bromide. The answer is argon and alcohol. The thin wire at a cathode of GM counter act as options are cathode, anode, neutral, none. The right answer is B, that is anode. Geiger counter is a device to detect mass, momentum, charge, radiation. So it detect the radiations. Normally GM counter uses potential difference of 1000 volts. Solid state detector work when they are forward bias, reverse bias, not biased, none of these. So when it work, that is reverse biased. Solid state detector must be worked. When X-ray enters the solid state, silicon you are taken detector, it produces ion pair rather than electron hole pair. True or false? The answer must be it is false. Which of the following is the main disadvantage of solid state semiconductor radiation detector? The answer is, the options are low accuracy, low sensitivity, it should be maintained at low temperature, high avalanche breakdown voltage. The answer must be it is C. It should be maintained at low temperature. Now, thank you.